Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by placing a known good cassette into the deck and engaging record-ready mode. You need to act now. Connect your source to the deck's line input using RCA or a 3.5 adapter and set source playback to a steady test track. Once done, adjust the deck's record level knob so meters peak near, but not into red. This preserves dynamics while avoiding distortion. Make sure Dolby or noise reduction is set as you intend, since that affects tonal balance during recording. You now fine-tune levels. Play the loudest section of the source and slowly raise the deck's input until meters hit around 0 to -3 dB. This prevents clipping while keeping good signal to noise. Once levels are set, press record and play together, or use pause and cue to start exactly where you want. During recording, watch stereo balance and listen for mechanical issues like flutter or excessive hiss. These indicate transport problems or worn tape that you should address immediately. You finish by stopping both machines, rewinding, and listening through the full recording to confirm levels, dropouts, and noise floor. If everything sounds good, label the cassette with date, source, input levels, and noise reduction settings so you can reproduce results later. If you hear distortion, uneven speed, or excessive hiss, clean and align the heads, demagnetize the deck, or try a different tape. Reducing input gain or engaging Dolby can often rescue a marginal recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.